Hello everyone. What we are going to do today, I'm going to show you how to replace battery, key fob battery for this smart key, push to start key, okay, used for many different models, different years, Jeep, Chrysler, Dodge. Very easy process. All we will need is a screwdriver, a replacement battery, which is CR2032, okay, CR2032. There is a link below. You can get it online, or you can find it Home Depot, AutoZone, Walmart. Very common battery. Okay, so what we will have to do first thing is we'll have to take the emergency key out, which is located right here. The way to do it is simply by moving this piece to the left. Once again, I'm going to show it. Obviously, you don't need a screwdriver for that. I just want to show you. And very easy. Once again, to the left, and we take the emergency key out. Okay. Next thing we are going to do, right here at the top. Okay. This is where the emergency key goes in. At the top, we will turn it clockwise. Okay. And simply open the key fob gently. All right. There it is, the battery. Underneath, on the bottom, we're gonna take it out. Once again, I'll put it back in to show you how to do it again. So, right here, with the screwdriver, very gently, take it out. Now we're gonna put the new battery in. Basically, this is a new one, so just to show you how to do it, face down. Okay, very easy. Put everything back in, back together. Push it a little bit. Put the emergency key back in, and that's basically it. You don't need to reprogram it. You're good to go. Hope you like this video. Let me know if you have any questions.